Welcome to Smart Money 101. Today we're talking about one of the biggest expenses that almost every family faces: groceries. The good news is that you don't need coupons, you don't need to spend hours searching for deals, and you definitely don't need to change your diet or sacrifice quality. In this video, you're going to learn 25 practical, realistic, and easy-to-use strategies that will help you save money on groceries without using a single coupon. These are habits that real families can use right away, and they can make a big difference in your monthly budget. So let's get started. Most people overspend on groceries without even realizing it. They buy things that look good, they pick up items they weren't planning to buy, and they choose foods that end up sitting in the fridge until they go bad. That's why the first tip is to create a weekly meal plan. When you plan your meals, you have a roadmap. You know exactly what you need, and you avoid buying random items that don't fit into any meal. Planning ahead saves money, reduces stress, and helps you avoid last-minute takeout. The second tip is to make a shopping list and stick to it. A list is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for saving money. Studies show that people who shop with a list spend significantly less than people who shop without one. When you walk into the store knowing exactly what you need, you avoid distractions and impulse purchases. Keep your list on your phone so it's always with you and easy to update. Before you go to the store, check your fridge, freezer, and pantry. This is the third tip, and it's a big one. Many families waste a lot of money because they buy duplicates of items they already have. They buy extra pasta, extra cans, extra produce, or extra snacks because they simply forgot what they already bought. A quick inventory prevents waste and helps you use what you already have before it expires or gets thrown away. Another helpful strategy is to use a one-week rotation of meals. This is tip number 4. Choose 7 meals that your family enjoys and repeat them each week. You don't have to follow this perfectly, but even doing it for most of your meals makes planning easier and reduces the number of ingredients you need to buy. It also helps you build a habit of buying only what you know you'll eat. Tip number 5 is to plan meals around what you already have at home. If you have rice, beans, pasta, lentils, canned tomatoes, or frozen vegetables, use those items as the base for your weekly meals. This reduces your grocery bill dramatically because you're not starting from zero every time you plan. Let's talk about the items you buy at the store. One of the easiest ways to save money instantly is tip number 6. Buy store brands instead of name brands. Most store brand items come from the same manufacturers, sometimes even using the same ingredients. You're simply paying more for the packaging and the brand name. Store brand cereal, canned goods, snacks, cleaning supplies, spices, dairy, and even medicine can save you 15 to 40% on every purchase. Tip number 7 is to compare unit prices. This is the small number on the shelf label that shows the price per ounce, per pound, per liter, or per kilogram. It lets you compare products fairly, regardless of package size. The cheaper-looking product isn't always the best value, and unit price makes the comparison much easier. Tip number 8 is to avoid pre-cut or pre-packaged food. Pre-cut fruit, shredded cheese, pre-washed lettuce, and chopped vegetables are convenient, but you pay for the labor. Buying whole fruits and vegetables and preparing them at home can save you a lot of money, and it often tastes better too. Tip number 9 is related. Buy whole produce instead of pre-cut produce. A whole pineapple costs far less than pineapple chunks. A whole watermelon costs less than sliced watermelon. A big bag of carrots is cheaper than baby carrots. These small changes make a noticeable impact on your grocery bill. Tip number 10 is to buy meat in value packs. Larger packs of chicken, beef, or pork usually cost much less per pound. When you get home, divide the meat into meal-sized portions, put them in freezer bags, and freeze them. This simple habit brings down your cost per meal and helps you plan ahead. Tip number 11 is to shop the perimeter of the store. The outside edges of the supermarket usually contain the essentials: produce, dairy, eggs, bread, and meat. The inner aisles are filled with processed foods, snacks, and expensive extras. By focusing your attention on the perimeter, you avoid many of the impulse items that raise your bill. Tip number 12 is simple: don't shop when you're hungry. Shopping hungry makes you buy more snacks, more packaged foods, and more items you didn't plan on buying. Eat a small snack before shopping. This alone can save you $10 to $20 per trip. Tip number 13 is to bring your own bags. Some stores charge for bags, and those small charges add up over time. Plus, reusable bags tend to be larger and sturdier, which makes your shopping experience easier. Tip number 14 is to shop only once a week. Every time you step foot into the store, you increase the chances of buying things you don't need. Limiting yourself to one weekly trip keeps your spending under control and forces you to rely on the food you already have at home. Tip number 15 is to include 1 or 2 meatless meals each week. Meat is one of the most expensive items on your shopping list. Replacing just one meal with a dish built around eggs, beans, lentils, pasta, or vegetables can make a meaningful difference in your budget. Tip number 16 is to buy seasonal produce. Strawberries, tomatoes, peaches, avocados, and many other fruits and vegetables cost much more when they're out of season. When you buy in season, you get better flavor and better prices. Tip number 17 is to buy frozen fruits and vegetables when it makes sense. Frozen produce lasts longer, has the same or even more nutrition, and costs less than fresh produce. It's great for smoothies, soups, stir-fries, pasta dishes, and side dishes. Tip number 18 is to avoid ready-made meals. This includes rotisserie chickens, pre-cooked entrees, hot bar items, and bakery sweets. These foods are convenient but expensive. You pay for preparation, packaging, and labor. Cooking at home almost always costs less. Tip number 19 is to use loyalty programs. These are not coupons. They automatically give you lower prices at checkout, personalized deals, and rewards over time. If your store has a loyalty app or card, use it every time you shop. Tip number 20 is to consider shopping at discount grocery stores. Stores like Aldi, Lidl, and local markets often have lower prices than major supermarket chains. Sometimes switching stores is one of the fastest ways to reduce your grocery bill. Tip number 21 is to store your food properly so it lasts longer. Keep produce dry, store leafy greens with a paper towel to absorb moisture, freeze bread before it gets stale, and use airtight containers for leftovers. Food waste is one of the biggest hidden expenses in grocery shopping. Tip number 22 is to cook in batches. Make big portions of meals like soup, pasta sauce, rice, beans, chili, or casseroles. Freeze the extra servings for future meals. This saves time, reduces the need for last-minute takeout, and lowers your overall food cost. Tip number 23 is to repurpose leftovers. Turn yesterday's chicken into sandwiches, salads, wraps, tacos, or fried rice. Turn leftover vegetables into an omelet, soup, or stir-fry. Using leftovers creatively helps you stretch ingredients and prevents waste. Tip number 24 is to use cashback apps that reward you for scanning receipts. These apps don't require looking for coupons. You simply upload your receipt and earn points, cash, or gift cards over time. It only takes a few seconds and adds extra value to the money you already spent. And the final tip, number 25, is to track your grocery spending. You can use a spreadsheet, a notebook, or a budgeting app. When you see your numbers clearly, you can spot trends, identify overspending, and adjust your habits. Even small improvements can lead to big results over time. These 25 tips are simple, practical, and designed for real families. You don't need coupons, you don't need to memorize weekly deals, and you don't need to change your entire lifestyle. By applying even a few of these habits consistently, you can save hundreds of dollars each month and make your grocery budget much more manageable. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart Money 101 for more tips on saving money, budgeting, and building financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which grocery tips you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.